Hello from the Historic Rail Park and Train Museum. My name is Jessica Warren and I'm the development officer here, and it is a gorgeous day here in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and I just wanted to give you an update on what is going on with our Step Right Up campaign. I am so excited to share that we actually eclipsed the 50% mark just a couple days ago. And with that being reached, we have been able to repair one of the windows that was broken. And we also have been able to reach out to the architecture crew and start getting those plans rolling, and we can't wait to share them with you. Now I still need your help. We need to raise about $10,000 to paint the top of these rail cars. Now it's not like a normal paint, it's more of a sealant that'll protect the cars from leaks. So it is a hefty price tag, but we do need to keep working on that. So please join our Step Right Up Club or our Ringmaster Club, or we do have about 6 spots left in our Big Top Club, which is a $1,000 donation. We so appreciate everybody who's already helped, and thank you for your support.